Uh, my dear friends, if it is given that what is the shape of sp3d hybrid orbitals, what is the shape of sp3d hybrid orbital? So, what is the shape of sp3d hybrid orbital? So, sp3d hybrid orbitals can be of two shape. Okay, it can be of two shape. First of all, trigonal bipyramidal. That means this type of shape. It is trigonal by the shape is trigonal bipyramidal. The this is a plane, trigonal plane, and the two apex above the trigonal plane and the below the trigonal plane. So it is a trigonal bipyramidal TBP structure. This is TBP structure. Okay, and another possible shape of this structure is the square planar. So this is the square planar shape. Okay, my dear friends. So now my question is, which shape? So square planar, which shape is predominant? Okay. So before going through these details, we are going to discuss the details of sp3d hybridization. Okay, so the basic thing is that the sp3d hybrid orbitals can have two kinds of shape. One is trigonal bipyramidal and another is square pyramidal shape. Okay, so first of all, we are going to discuss what happens in sp3d hybrid orbitals. Mind it. So let us look what happens. First, case 1, sp3d hybrid orbitals. So the participating orbitals can be treated as s plus px plus py. This is a set, and pz plus dz square. This is another set, and the whole thing comes under sp3d hybrid orbital. Okay, so the s, px, and py, the s, px, and py, that is x, px, and py, the s, px, and py forms this kind of trigonal plane. S, py, px, this set, this set forms, this set forms this trigonal plane, and projects at 120 degree with each other. This is the first thing. Okay, so two set, this is a set, and this set is nothing but S plus Px plus Py, and the another set, this set is nothing but Pz plus dz square. Okay, my dear friends. So this is the two basic set. The first set here happen. This trigonal plane, the trigonal plane consists of three orbitals, one x, one px, and another py, and the perpendicular line and the perpendicular line at 180 degree consist of the two orbitals pz and dz square. So the trigonal, this trigonal bipyramidal, the shape is called trigonal by, the shape is called trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, my dear friends. So these are called equatorial. This is called equatorial position, and this position and this position are called axial position. Okay. So this is actually sp3d hybrid orbital is a non-equivalent hybrid orbital. This hybrid orbital is called non-equivalent hybrid orbital. Okay. So this is a case 1. In next case, case 2, case 2. So what will be the case 2? The case 2 is the S Px plus Py plus dx square y square. This is set 1, and set 2 is the Pz. This is the pure Pz, and the set 1 forms the square planar. It is formed. It is formed by set 1. What is set 1? That is x plus px plus py plus dx square y square, and the line, perpendicular line, that is axial line, axial position, this axis, axial position, set 2, pure Pz orbital. So my dear students, you can see how the sp3d hybrid orbital forms two kinds of sets. One is trigonal bipyramidal set, and this is the square pyramidal set. This is square pyramidal set. Okay. So I think this class, uh, out of this class, you can learn something very important things which are basically asked in your different exam, entrance exam, and then if such kind of questions are being asked, you can answer this question easily. Okay. So today we will stop here. In our next class, we will see some more important classes on chemistry. Okay, my dear friends, till then, goodbye.